Certainly. Here's an example of a detailed video for data entry. Introduction. Welcome the user and introduce yourself as the data entry operator. Briefly explain the purpose of data entry and the importance of accurate and precise data. Assure the user that their information will be handled with utmost confidentiality. Step 1. Gathering information. Ask the user to provide the necessary documents or forms containing the data to be entered. Carefully review the documents and forms to understand the required data fields. Seek clarification from the user if any information is unclear or missing. Step 2. Preparing the workspace. Ensure you have a clean and organized workspace. Set up your computer and launch the data entry software or spreadsheet program. Verify that the software is configured correctly to capture the required data fields. Step 3. Data entry process. Begin by entering the necessary identifying information, such as the user's name or unique ID number. Proceed to enter the remaining data fields one by one, following the order specified in the documents or forms. Pay close attention to details, spelling, and numerical accuracy while typing the information. Use proper formatting and validation rules if applicable, e.g., date formats, numerical ranges. If encountering complex or technical terms, refer to provided instructions or ask for clarification. Step 4. Review and verification. Double-check each entry for accuracy and completeness. Cross-reference the entered data with the original documents or forms to ensure consistency. Run any validation checks or algorithms provided by the data entry software. If discrepancies or errors are found, consult the user or supervisor for guidance on how to proceed. Step 5. Saving and documenting. Save the entered data using an appropriate file name or record identifier. Maintain an organized file management system to easily locate and retrieve the data when needed. Record the date and time of data entry completion for reference and tracking purposes. Keep a log or report of completed data entry tasks for future reference or reporting needs. Step 6. Closing interaction. Thank the user for providing the data and cooperating throughout the process. Reassure the user once again about the confidentiality and security measures in place. Offer assistance or address any questions or concerns the user may have. Conclude the interaction in a polite and professional manner. Note: this script can be adjusted based on the specific requirements of the data entry task and the organization's guidelines. How to earn with data entry. There are several ways to earn money with data entry work. Freelancing platforms. Sign up on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Create a profile highlighting your data entry skills and experience. Bid on data entry projects posted by clients, and if awarded the project, complete the work within the specified timeframe. You can set your own rates and negotiate with clients for payment. Remote job opportunities. Many companies hire remote data entry operators. Look for job openings on websites like Indeed, LinkedIn, or specialized job boards for remote work. Submit your application and resume, and if selected, you can work remotely as a data entry professional. The compensation may be in the form of an hourly rate or a fixed monthly salary. Microtask platforms. Join microtask platforms such as Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. These platforms offer various small tasks, including data entry, that you can complete for a fee. The tasks are usually short and require less time to complete. Payment is typically based on the number of tasks completed. Online marketplaces. Consider creating your own online data entry service and promote it through social media, your website, or online marketplaces like Etsy or Shopify. You can offer specialized data entry services tailored to specific industries or niches. Temporary agencies. Contact local temporary staffing agencies or online staffing platforms that offer temporary data entry assignments. These agencies often work with businesses that require temporary assistance with data entry projects. You can be hired on a contract basis for a specific duration. Remember, building a strong reputation, delivering high-quality work, and meeting deadlines are crucial to gaining repeat clients and establishing a successful career in data entry. Additionally, improving your typing speed and accuracy will help you increase your efficiency and productivity. What is the scope of data entry on Fiverr? On Fiverr, the scope of data entry services can be quite broad. Fiverr is a popular freelancing platform where individuals offer their services to clients worldwide. Here are some examples of the scope of data entry services you can offer on Fiverr. General data entry. This includes tasks like entering data from documents, spreadsheets, or handwritten notes into digital formats such as Excel, Google Sheets, or databases. Data cleansing and formatting. Clients may require assistance in cleaning and organizing their existing data. This can involve removing duplicates, formatting data according to specific guidelines, standardizing data fields, or ensuring consistency across datasets. Data mining and research. Some clients may need help in collecting data from various online sources or conducting research to gather specific information. This can involve web scraping, extracting data from websites, or performing online research to compile datasets. Product or catalog data entry. E-commerce businesses often require assistance in entering product information, descriptions, prices, and images into their online stores or marketplaces like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Amazon. Transcription services. Transcribing audio or video files into written text is another data entry service that is in demand. Clients may require transcriptions for interviews, meetings, podcasts, or other recordings. Data entry with CRM or CMS platforms. Many businesses use customer relationship management, CRM, or content management system, CMS, platforms to manage their data. Clients may need assistance with data entry into these systems, including entering customer information, managing contact lists, or updating website content. Data entry quality assurance. Some clients may require assistance in reviewing and verifying the accuracy of existing data entries, comparing data against original sources, or performing quality assurance checks on datasets. It's important to remember that Fiverr allows freelancers to offer custom services, so you can tailor your data entry gigs to specific client needs. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.